More than ever, people are looking for some new, fun ways to make some extra cash. And that includes trading the stock market. Ever run into frustration when you just can't seem to find correct earnings information for a particular day? Confused when you just have no idea what to search for? Welcome to Earnings Ninja, our friendly solution for your information needs. I'm very excited to give you a tour around our great website for beginner investors. The highlight of our site is our earnings information updates post-made daily. Simply check back regularly before the market opens to see all the earnings scheduled for that day. And take a look at earnings to see earnings results. Our page is regularly updated with market content, great tips, and more, so you never have to miss new insights. And finally, do you not know anything at all about the stock market or economics? No problem, we are here to help. Navigate to our YouTube channel to watch weekly lessons about stocks and economics from experienced mentors. Coming soon to YouTube. It's really easy. Subscribe to our mailing list and YouTube channel, and you will never miss any of our updates or lessons.